Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious leafy salad using an easy method. First, select the freshest, crispiest leafy greens you can find, as quality ingredients are key. Next, it's crucial to thoroughly wash your greens under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. Finally, gently pat the leaves dry with a clean kitchen towel or use a salad spinner for best results. This step ensures your dressing will adhere properly. Once your greens are clean and dry, it's time to prepare them for the bowl. For larger leaves, simply tear them into bite-sized pieces. This makes them much easier to eat. If you're working with tougher greens like romaine or kale, a sharp knife will help you chop them efficiently. Aim for consistent piece sizes across all your greens to ensure every bite is perfectly balanced and the dressing distributes evenly. Now for the fun part, building your salad. This is where you can get creative. Incorporate a vibrant array of colorful vegetables, such as cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, or bell peppers for added nutrients and visual appeal. Don't forget to consider protein sources like grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or chickpeas to make it a more satisfying meal. Finally, add some crunchy elements, perhaps nuts, seeds, or croutons for delightful texture. The final step is dressing and serving your masterpiece. Remember to dress your salad just before you plan to eat it. This prevents the greens from becoming soggy and wilting. Start with a modest amount, perhaps 1 or 2 tablespoons of your favorite dressing, and then add more only if needed. Gently toss all the ingredients together until every piece is evenly coated. Now, your easy, delicious leafy salad is ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.